this is the way to open the back of artwork and the frame, and carefully to check what possible problems you have. This is old painting, and you can see by the color, by the patina.
Oh, we don't see the patina yet.
Alright, that's what we have. And the damage what we have actually is because of the humidity, what is in the basic material, and paint peeling off. The painting is in the need of cleanup to come to the original colors and all original quality of the paint. Because if we touch something and that's peeling again, this is not the right way to go. Well, the process will be very slow, especially the cleanup, and obviously using right pigment and linseed oil, what is the base of this painting. Original pigment, mixing with olive oil and wax, and testing the color, and then touch up bit by bit. This is the name apparently.
How long will this process take?
Oh, will take as much as we need, but a couple of days because of a drying period. Before we touch second time, same place, the first applying paint should dry. This may all depend, we have to observe that, testing constantly, is that the first intervention ready to make final, or maybe second intervention, because final is only when everything is ready, looking in the right way. This is for this phase enough. Good. Well, we will start now, and we need a lot of sunlight to have a real color existing. Then we can prepare paint for touch-up, and everything should be exposed to the sun, what is one of the ways to have a real understanding what is going on. This is good for now.
Okay.
Well, the damage what we have the peeling off is very important to check the edges of the spot, that the paint what we have is solidly holding on the background before we actually touch up this white area. This means when we come to the original paint, will hold, is nothing going to peel off more than is this, and then look like now. For example, this is the small what we have to check. You see if everything is very dry, peeling off. Sometime, and most of the time, but most of the people and restorers probably, they don't know, we have some kind of bacteria moving in and feeding with organic linseed oil and destroying strength of the structure, especially the color, what is based on linseed oil, what is very healthy. Bacteria feed on this. And this is one of the reasons why the paint is not holding. This is serious, very serious. As you see, someone tried to restore that before and does not hold. We have to move this small flecks what are in the air already, to start applying applying paint we think will be adequate to the original paint. This is something you see this what is very serious, because sometimes you can go with your touch-up at once. This piece is becoming loose, and at once you have to repeat the process from the beginning. This means under this paint is some kind of hole what we have to fill with restoration liquid. This is still not enough, because in the process later, as you see, we will discover more and more critical places. Some of them we can fix back, but most of them is better to remove like this. Nothing aggressively, only what is in the air already. It is just about your experience and the judgment how far to go with this. Good. I think for now look like pretty solid. All these small things can be the reason that another big spot is coming. This means we have to check everything and to decide what to do, how actually to fix that back to the background. The best thing is not to overdo. It's better to think 10 times and then to touch maybe just once. Well, this will be enough for this.
What's this?
We are just trying to make a background strong enough to isolate the moisture what is in the board, then to apply on that isolated spot the paint will hold for a little bit longer. Good. Even to repeat this, to build one film what will be protection in between the new paint touch-up and background. The danger is coming from the back, and this other bigger spot here. You should have firm hand. The best thing will be not to overlap existing paint. After some drying, not long, 10 minutes, we will repeat. Si snimio onu crtu već.
Yes.
Oh, that's okay.
And now the line is gone. Look at that.
Mislim, to je secret restorera.
Još je ovdje.
Ja, to moram još jedan sloj. Couple of coats what actually will feel that scratch that will be the transparent coat and will show original paint.